So those are just the things that your parents have to budget for in a family budget. Just things that you use in your everyday life is probably something that your parents have to budget for. Even your house, the car that they bring to take you guys to school. I commit to earning a ton of money. I commit to budgeting all of my money. I commit to saving my money. I commit to investing my money. And I commit to securing the bag. Come on, guys, you gotta give that last one with some oomph. You gotta make it stronger. I commit to securing the bag.
Hi, I'm Maddie Urbino. I am the coding and computer science teacher here at the Academy of Scholars. My testimonial just says everything with this face of what Caden brought to our school, what he brought to our scholars, all the way from pre-K to 6th grade. They are extremely excited, and I am excited to see what our scholars are going to be able to do after hearing from Caden. So thank you, Caden.
Then is we like to have the fair, unfair advantage. What do I mean by that? Instead of putting our kids at the plate, let's put them on second base.
Wow.
If we can hit a triple, let's get them on third base. So once a kid is on third base in life, anything we do barring a strikeout, whether it's a base hit, a bunt, a pop fly, they're gonna score.
I'm Samantha Figueroa. I'm in admissions at the Academy of Scholars, and we absolutely love the bus.
Absolutely. I'm Ms. Garrett. I'm a kindergarten teacher here at the Academy of Scholars, and we think this is super cool. We love that Caden's come in to teach the children about financial literacy, and this is super awesome. Keep up the great work.
Hi, my name is Miss Foley. I teach 1st grade at AOS, and I was really excited to see Caden come in and talk about finance because before education, I did finance for 26 years.
And remember, if Caden can,
you can!